Hey everybody, Wyoming James checking in, day number 43 from the Urban Micro Farm, day number 43. So we are out here again. It's afternoon time because you'll know that because Mandy's with us and it's in the afternoon. So Mandy had to work a full shift today. She had a great day fixing people's problems physically, but she excels at that. So Dr. Mandy is back with us on the Urban Micro Farm. So she's not a doctor. Full disclosure, she is not an MD, nor is she a PhD. However, she is a certified card-carrying radiographic technician. Technologist, sorry. But you are a technician also.
No,
what?
Technicians are like people who do nails.
Oh, so she is not a technician. So, all right, so she is a technologist. All right, so now that we've got Mandy's pedigree out of the way, let me tell you about mine. I have a BS and BS. All right, that's not true. We need to make this about the birds, Mandy. This isn't about you.
I didn't go there.
You started it. All right, so we are out here. I think, what are we going to do, Mandy? Are we going to turn birds out, or are we going to...
We have to relocate because we have a
Yeah, so here's what we're dealing with right now. And we dealt with this last year, don't have the fix. So what we have to do is, right here, pardon my shadow, we have to go around. See, the sagebrush here, it gets really narrow. So right out in this area, there's only room for 2 tractors. So we're going to have to take one tractor across the road to this little strip right here. And then what we'll do is we are going to sickle one of the tractors down the road, whereas the other 2 will be going along here till we hit that sagebrush, and then slowly, way back there behind the truck, we'll move the other 2 tractors over, and we'll end up with with all 3 tractors west of the road, which would be the right-hand edge of your screen. So, I guess tonight's the night we do that. So let's do that. So what Mandy's going to do, Mandy's going to cut those birds loose. I will sickle that tractor across the road, and then we'll move those other 2 over, and we should have everything right in the chicken world. So, man, they certainly know what getting out of that tractor is about. So hopefully they can find some grasshoppers out here. I don't see too many of them, but hopefully they can find some. So we're going to do that. I'll probably set the camera up. You can watch me drag this across the road, which is always a chore.
Yeah, that one
without running over any birds. So stay with us. You were so damn good. Did that one move over there by itself? All right, so here is the finished product. We got Mandy. Look at her. She's all out of breath. She's all wore out.
I've had a long day.
It's because she's had a long day, she says. Okay, so we've got 2 tractors there. 1 tractor on the other side of the 2-track. And everybody is tucked in for the night. And we're going to bid everybody adieu from the pasture, the Urban Micro Farm. And then we'll be out here again tomorrow morning. And I am told that tomorrow morning we plan on weighing birds. So we're going to weigh some birds, give you guys an idea of what they're weighing right now. Hopefully get an average. We're going to get an actual count because we're not sure how many birds we even have left. So we'll do all that tomorrow morning. So Wyoming James, Powder River Mandarin, checking out another day on the Urban Micro Farm. And we are about to load up in the Cobalt Blue Panty Dropper and head off into the sunset.